Have you ever wondered that why our body has preformed blood antibodies in our system from our birth? Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh, and in this video I am going to discuss about the mystery behind the presence of blood antibodies in our system or body from our birth. So first of all, the person having A blood group has B antibody in its serum, and in case of B blood group person have A antibody in its serum. In case of AB person there is no antibody, but in case of O person, the blood group having O person, AB both antibodies are present in the serum. So what is the reason behind that antibodies, preformed antibodies presence in our body from our birth? But according to immunology, we know that when our body encounters antigen, then our immune system produces antibody against those antigens. Okay, so what is the reason behind that theorem or having preformed blood antibodies from the birth? But our body never encountered those kind of antigens. So how our body makes preformed blood antibodies? First of all, we have to know about the blood antigens. So what are the blood antigens? Basically, blood antigens are some structures that basically present outside the cell surface of RBCs. In case of A antigen, some structure, specific structure present outside the RBC cell surface, and in case of B antigen, there is some specific structure present outside the cell surface of RBCs. Those structures are fucose, galactose, N-acetyl glucosamine and N-acetyl galactosamine. So these carbohydrates or these sugars are basically present outside of the RBC cell surface and make a particular blood antigens. So the person having A blood group have A antigen on its RBC cell surface. The person having B blood group have the B antigen in its surface or RBC surface. The person having AB blood group have both of the antigens on their RBC cell surface. That means the A antigen along with the B antigen. So the A and B both antigens are present outside the cell surface of the RBC, the person having AB blood group. And in case of O blood group person, there is no antigen present outside the RBC cell surface. That means these RBCs are lacking the particular antigens or blood group antigens. Okay, so the person having A blood group has preformed B antibody in its serum. How it is possible? Whenever the person doesn't encounter with B antigen in its lifetime. So what is the theorem? The theorem is basically that our body have some good microbiota or bacteria in our gut. Okay, so microbiota in our gut, and these good microbiotas are known as gut microbiota. Okay, these microbiota are known as gut microbiota, and the microbiota helps us to digest the various kinds of things. So they are helps in digestion process. Okay, they helps in digestion process. So they help particularly in digestion process. So these kind of microbiota such as Bifidobacterium, Streptococcus, such as Staphylococcus. So the good microbiotas have similar kind of structure on their cell surface. So basically these microbiotas have both of the structure of antigens. Okay, So A and B, the microbiota, so this is microbiota. So microbiota has both of the structures, that these structures, these kind of structures are present on the cell surface of this microbiota. And whenever this microbiota is in our body detects the antigens. Okay, but these antigens, so basically these antigens are similar to RBC antigens. So in A blood group person, our immune system recognize this A antigen as self antigen. So in A blood group person, our immune system recognize this A antigen as self antigen. So they does not hamper this structure, but there is an extra structure present outside the cell surface of this microbiota, that is B structure. Okay, so this B structure is dangerous for us, so we have to, our immune system have to neutralize this B structure. Okay, so but our immune system cannot kill the microbiota, because these microbiotas are good for our body or good for our digestion system. So without killing these microbiota, how our immune system neutralizes these antigens that is present cell surface of the microbiota? So basically our body, whenever our immune system encounters these antigens, so B antigen encountered by our immune system, okay, encountered by our immune system, and our immune system produce B antibodies. Okay, so B antibodies is now produced, and now those B antibodies are comes in contact with this kind of microbiotas, and the microbiota having B antigen in A blood group person, so these antibodies are now masking these and B antigens. So B antibody mask the expression of B antigen that is present outside the cell surface of this microbiota in A blood group person, because A antigen is similar with RBC antigen, right? So A antigen is similar with RBC antigen, so A antigen is recognized as self antigen, but B antigens are extra in this case. So B antibodies are produced, and those B antibodies are masking this particular B antigens. So B antibody masks the B antigens, and by this manner our immune system does not kill the microbiota. So our immune system does not kill the microbe, okay, or microbe. So this microbe is now still alive, and they help us to for digestion process. Okay, so this microbe is now alive and they helps us for digestion process, and now B antigen are now masked by the B antibody. Okay, so in this manner our immune system produces B antibody whenever our blood cell is lacking the B antibody. But in case of B antigen person, same kind of thing occurred in here, but in this case B antigen is considered as self antigen, but A antigen is considered as non-self antigen, and our immune system produce antibody that is mask the expression of this particular A antigen. Okay, so A antibody mask the expression of A antigen, right? But in the case of AB person, here both of the antigens are present in the microbiota as well as our RBC surface. So both antigens are considered as self, so there is no antibody is produced. But in case of O, there is lacking of these kind of antigens. So in this case, our body makes both of the antibodies, that is A and B, and mask the expression of this particular A and B antigens, and by this process it helps to grow the microbiota as well as our immune system save us from this harmful effect of this particular antigens. So this is the mystery behind the presence of preformed blood antibodies. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.